Well, it didn't take long. Once you know what you're doing, then it goes together pretty easily. I need to clean that out probably a little bit better, but don't know that I will. I did paint this last time. I rebuilt it, but I didn't take this bushing out because I didn't know how to. Now I know, and I took it out. So, new bushing, and that thing is rock solid. It is not moving up and down. So, that is fixed. If you're going down a road that is extremely uneven, and tires are leaving the ground, and you come back down, you hear a clunk, it's more than likely your rack, your steering rack is worn. Okay, putting this thing back together, I slid the rack in first, then I put the pinion gear in, got it in to where it was aligned pretty much. You could turn this and the rack would move, and then I just used a BFH, or in this case a BFM, big mallet, and once here goes my flash again. Once the pinion gear was seated all the way in, I used my C-clip tool, or circlip tool, and changed it out. So all I got to do is squeeze it, and it contracts it instead of extending it. Great little tool. And put it in there. Then they say to tape this shaft up, grease it up, and then slide this dust shield down, dust boot. And I didn't do that. I probably should have cleaned the shaft up a little bit, get that corrosion off, but I didn't do that either. Repacked the bearing kind of, and to install this I just used a 3/8 extension and just kind of tapped around it, got everything in. Next I put the spring in, the new spring with grease, and also put there's a washer in here, and this nut here is part of it. So this is the only turning part. The manual has a bunch of different instructions for this, but there's different designs of the units. And I put the it's just a little washer, and it was bowing up when I put it in. I think it was whatever side had the wear on it, and then just turned this down until it's pretty close. I probably need to back that. Oh yeah, I definitely need to back that off a lot, because this thing's quite tight when you turn it now. So I think it's probably too tight. So unfortunately, that's the washer right there. And that's not the way. I don't think I did it that way, actually. Oh well. I can't imagine it makes that big a deal. Plus it's not going to be in there that long anyway. I think I probably am, just because I'm a damn perfectionist. I'm going to take that back off and get a better look at it. That's the problem without having any damn light. That's one way they show of adjusting it, and I think that's a different kind of rack. And that's it. If you got a power steering rack, well, that's not for this.